Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're doing some more Prospect. We love Prospect. We surely do. So, this really looks nice up in here, sweetie.
House in scheme house.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
you don't see? This one other one and there.
Uh-huh.
So the man that make our gates, he
lives over in here somewhere.
Yeah, he said his house is a blue house.
Okay. Well, there's a blue house right there. Except the house isn't really blue, just the wall's blue.
Well, he said the house is blue.
Well, when we see a pure blue house. Well, but we don't know which part of Prospect.
Over here, this is the one housing scheme in Prospect.
This is the one you...
The
okay.
one housing scheme, so it must be somewhere over here.
Yeah, but look.
What?
We just came from where there was a housing scheme.
Yes, so...
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's the one housing scheme stretch come way around.
Yeah.
Around here, you know, it's the same housing scheme.
Okay.
See a blue house over there, but I don't know where directly, so... And I know he's not the only person with blue house.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh boy. That's a pretty color, that peach. I like that, sweetie.
Yes, nice.
Yeah.
This color too is nice.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that color green.
And the what? Cream?
And the cream, the green and cream. And then for the dark, if you look at the color of their door, and the color of their door, that's a nice combination. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, we'll move a little faster now, I think. I think maybe I was going too slow
their house
before.
is still their house in scheme house, you know.
I don't know why I was going so slow before. All it did is make my camera get hot the other day when I did that, you know. So today, we're going to go a better speed, hopefully. It's hard to know what speed to go, people, because I have multiple cameras, you know. And
What's
so,
the color they put in that? Oh.
yeah. Huh. This is a nice neighborhood, sweetie. Well, there's a blue house. You know?
What we pass a blue house to.
There's a lot of, yeah, it's
so
hard
you
to...
don't know which house.
And that's a blue house, but it's blue and white.
And
you know?
I don't think his house is like this one. To be.
Huh. That's interesting.
And there's a blue house.
I better look at my map and see how this is set up here so I know where to go. Oh, that just kind of goes a little loop there.
But
I'm going to take the little...
what about down there?
Yeah, it goes down there. I'm going to take this little loop
So
first.
why don't go there and turn back and then...
Oh, yeah. Good plan. Good plan, sweetie.
But what?
That's why I got you with me. So we come up with better plans, you know? That's a nice color green. Not the green and yellow, but the green and white.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. This just comes down here.
What about that green?
I'm not crazy about that color.
No.
It's true. Now this shows the road going all the way to the highway here, but obviously it doesn't. Obviously it doesn't. So can't go by the maps.
I like this kind of green. I like it.
Yes, I do too, sweetie. I certainly do too. Oh, I see what you're saying. We can go up in here.
And then just go around and
Yes. It seems to be the direction of, well, at least these two cars went this direction.
all around here.
And then see, that's a new house, or they're taking
No, man,
they're taking one of the old ones and redoing
housing
it,
scheme house. This
and
one
they're
house-
redoing it.
All of these houses.
No, I'm talking about the one that doesn't have a bit of paint on it.
Oh, yes, it's house scheme house, so they just
Redoing it.
Some people will build over it and lick down the house
Uh-huh.
scheme house if you can afford to do that.
I
you know?
see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got to do stuff. You see, from you see these, it's house scheme house. All of these, they're not gonna be selling lot, and it's just housing scheme.
Oh. Someday that'll be a road, but it's not. That's the road we came up, right?
Mm. We didn't go down here.
We didn't.
There's just one and two original house scheme house. But
Yeah,
most people,
I don't know which road to take, because there's a lot of different roads in here.
Mhm.
And I'm going to have to do a little backtracking.
This house scheme house they just paint it up and
That's nice, that house. Some nice flowers in the yard and everything.
house scheme. House scheme. Wait, is a dog in the road? Dead or what?
No, sleeping.
What happened to this dog, by the way?
You get
I don't know what happened to these dogs.
Oh, that's a pretty landscape there.
Yeah.
That's really nice. Look at that, sweetie.
Yeah, I see, it's nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh.
Some of these may have just started out as one bedroom. One bedroom and a living room and a kitchen,
The housing scheme house look like it's two, but the
What do you
rooms are
think?
small. Two, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It look like it's two room.
Yeah.
Your kitchen and your.
Now, we could go here. This is the way we're going to go, right here. People, you're going to have to watch me with my glasses on because I have to look down at my map. Because this area has a lot of roads. We could just miss half of them easy if I don't pay attention to which ones we've been on and which ones we haven't,
The housing scheme house is two bedroom. You see, one bedroom at the back, one at the front here. And then you have the living room
And what, you have
kitchen
a
and
bathroom between the two?
Yes, so it's one
the
bathroom
bedrooms?
house. It's one bathroom
Mhm.
house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that just goes right to there is all, see?
So, vehicle behind you.
Oh, yeah. Huh, spitting a little rain? See the water?
Mm-hmm.
Or did we go next to something? Oh, I see. There's some storm clouds going above us. Or not storm clouds, but
This house, they just put on a veranda on it at the front.
Yeah.
See? They just put on the veranda
Oh,
to
I
the front.
see. Yeah. That's nice. And that one there too, same way.
What?
Yeah, same way.
So most people.
Yeah, to have to not have a veranda.
Mhm.
I mean, look how much we enjoy having a veranda.
Look at this one.
Yeah, and it doesn't take that much to add a veranda,
I don't know how old these housing scheme are, but I think it's a good while, long time.
Oh, now look how they did theirs. How they added onto theirs. They added.
Most of the people do addition.
Yes,
This
because
one-
this is a long time scheme.
Yeah, you can see it's a long time.
Yeah.
Long time.
Huh.
Long time scheme.
Mm-hmm.
Some people can afford to break down there. Just cover it and break it down. Like add on.
Oh, now I wonder what this sign used to say.
What I see? Ruby Avenue. It's a Ruby.
No, I mean the white sign.
Ah.
It's like it's a scheme.
Oh.
But look, the road's decent. It's clean.
Yeah, yeah.
You know.
Look at this nice Christmas tree.
You know,
nice for Christmas.
Yeah. I mean, you can see the people who live here.
Marlin Avenue.
We went down there already. You can see the people who live here take some pride,
Yeah. Yeah.
Although right here it's kind of a little problem, but for the most part,
Yeah.
the people take some pride in their neighborhood because you don't see trash.
Look at this one putting on front. They put it on at the back.
Oh, yeah.
And they put it on at the front. And put it on
And
at
put
the
it on
side.
the garage and on the
put it on
side.
this- yeah.
Okay.
So you see what I'm talking. It's all housing scheme.
Yes.
Yeah. This one is the same. Look, see the housing scheme house in the middle here. This one, this one over here. So if you don't see what I'm talking, this one.
Yeah. I see
And so
what
they
you're talking.
doing. And so they do it. They put at the front already, and they put at the back, and then we're going up.
Oh yeah, we turned there before. We turned there before and saw that, but we
Yeah.
didn't really notice it because
Yeah.
I was worried about the road. Huh.
This one there. See the housing scheme house.
Well, you get a housing scheme house. It gets you a start.
Yes.
Gets you a place to live.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna go left here, I think.
Like this one, see the housing scheme house in the middle there, and they had that, they join it at the back, put at the front, and it's in the middle. The housing scheme house in the middle. And that's what the people do. Some people might lick it out complete.
You could.
Maybe this one.
Well, no, that almost looks like a business there. Oh yeah, that was a grocery store or something. See? Yeah, you can see their freezer compartments. Yeah. Yeah, little shops and several little shops right along in here, I tend to want to go slower than maybe what I should. I'm liable to get my cameras warmed. I forgot a better way to do them so they don't get so hot. Oh, the problems I got to deal with here to do this. People. We're so glad you're joining us today. Now that little stretch of road there, I've already been at that corner and turned, so I don't think I need to necessarily go down there.
Right.
Just because it's just such a little, I mean, there's some nice things to see, but and if somebody's watching this and their house is right there, I apologize that I missed your home, but sometimes it's just the way it goes.
This road.
This road just goes up and comes back, but we'll take it because it looks like it's kind of clean and nice, you know. Yeah, it just comes up here and comes back. Oh, they got a nice backyard. Oh yeah, people up here doing a nice wall and yeah. End of the line here.
This is a lot here. A lot or two lot. Look at maybe it's 2 lots. Yeah. A nice spot here, so. So nice. You'd have a nice view, you know.
Well, I didn't really intend to have to back up so far, but that seems like the easiest way to do it. So anyway, so that's what we'll do, is we'll just back up.
So I'm looking at some house up on the hills and so on, so.
We'll go up there. I think we end up going up there. Yeah, I don't know if it'll be today or the next time we come over here or when, sweetie, but you know, and I think we'll end up there. I think we'll end up there. Now I'm not going to go down this one because then I have to back up the whole way again. So I apologize, people.
The roads are short.
Yeah, just a short road. You can kind of see up in there. Don't need. Okay, somebody wants to go past, so let me get over so they can go past.
Welcome to Crystal
City.
East Prospect.
Okay. Oh. Okay. I guess we'll go up into Crystal City, huh? Or I want to go to Tuna Close.
Yeah, going in Crystal
Because
City.
there's a truck there I'd have to I can't get past. See that up there? And I'm suddenly getting people. I'm suddenly getting traffic. Wonder why that is. What, the time of day or something? I'm going to go down Tuna here. Tuna Close or whatever this is called. Tuna Court. This is Tuna Court. I think.
The circle in the government house there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's big double garage.
That house look big though.
Okay, now the street that goes to the right's not even on the map. But the street up here is. This is the Tuna Court. So we're going to Tuna Court, and we're going to see some big homes up here, it looks like.
Hero 12 inside battery level low.
No, the battery's low. It don't even make any sense. Huh. I don't know why it was getting hot, and now the battery's low. You know, last time I did that, I had messed with the camera, and I changed the settings to do some experimenting, and I forgot changing back, but I changed everything, unless I left the bit rate high. Oh, I know, I can look at my gigabytes remaining. Oh, gigabytes are fine. Well, I don't know, people. I guess having a low battery is not a problem.
It's a dead end.
Yeah, it's a dead end up in here, so. Oh, look at the little tree.
And it's like a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
See that government house, they put on more to the. No, they didn't put on. They do something, they leak out and widen.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You can. They did some leaking out and widen it.
On where? Oh, this one?
This one here, this one.
Oh, this one?
Look.
Oh, in the back?
Look at the front way. They put on piece. They widen it. It's not narrow like all the other ones.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's the same.
Yeah, it's the same, sweetie.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But they could have made a wider.
To me, it looked like it was.
Yeah, if you look how the door was and everything, maybe.
Yeah, and the windows. And
Yeah,
so,
they could have. Or you
widen
know
it.
how I was saying, there could be different. Maybe it was a 3-bedroom. Maybe that's the 3-bedroom
Hero
style.
12 right battery level low.
Oh, now all the batteries are going to go low. That's what's going on here.
So you think they should be low?
But they can be low, because this is the second video. And we're about to. No, this is the third video, isn't it? I don't know how many we did on this.
The third. You do 2 already. It's the third.
I think so. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this people up. This people up. We're gonna wrap this people up. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, people, because the batteries are all getting low, and I'm gonna have to change them out if I wanted to keep going. And we've gone long enough. So, anyway, be sure and like, share, comment, subscribe, and help us get to 8,000 subscribers, and on the road to 10,000 and maybe 20,000. You never know. So, big up yourself, bless up yourself. Later, and
Amen.